Guys, I'm so excited. So I wanted to unbox this. This right here was something that I wanted to share with you guys because if you like to cook, you already know these are the OG of cooking pans and stuff. So I got this bad boy for the lowest low. Okay, now this right here I gotta share with y'all. I had to take my label off of it, you know, for protection. But let's open this up. And I had a set and I gave them, I gave them, but I sold them on OfferUp. This lady jumped to grab them. She was so excited. She's like, oh my gosh, I've been looking for these for years. It's hard to find good ones. Oh, whoa. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Hold on. This is a cast iron. And let me show y'all so you can see I'm not joking. Make sure my address or anything ain't on here. Yep, hold on. Look at the price. Come on, focus, camera. Come on. Why are you doing this to me? $608, basically. And then the grand total. Oh, here it is. $651. Could y'all see that? $651. This was $69. This brand is very expensive. For one skillet, it was $69 for one skillet. Then Macy's had it on sale for $49. Then Macy's gave me a $10 Macy's bucks or whatever you want to call it. And then it was some other percentage off. That was all I paid, and that was, I don't even know, the subtotal taxes was 43 cents basically. So a 608 plus 43 cents. That's still not, yeah, that 608, yeah, 43 cents equals, yeah, 651. And so this is a 12-inch, the big skillet. This is a 12-inch, and this is by Sedana. If you look it up on Macy's, it is a very expensive cast iron 12-inch. Guys, I got this for $6, so I just had to share that. I will be doing a video soon on how to season this, and why it's important to season this, and why if you are low iron, anemic, or anything like that, it is good to eat out of cast iron pots, because this will actually give you iron in your body and help raise your iron levels. You can look into that. But yeah, I'm excited and I can't wait to cook in this. I don't know if I'm gonna wait or what. I'll tell y'all wait for what. But yeah, I like this part of it. Most of them don't even have this. So yeah, when I seen it, I said, wait a minute, $14.99? What? And then I seen it was dropped down. Then I had the $10. I was like, oh my gosh, God, it's crazy. If you've been rocking with me, it's like I want something and I'll wait. I'll be so patient. When I want something, I'll be so patient, and I just let God just do his magic, and he always come through, and it'd be like way better than I expected. I did not expect to be able to spend this much on one of these, and you only need one, really. Like, you can do so much in one of these pans. They can go in the oven, and they can be used on top of the stove. They can be used on a grill. They can be used for so much. Like, a lot of people take their cast iron camping with them. They can be used on an open fire pit. Like, cast iron is the OG of cooking. And so yeah, I'm so excited. When I say this thing is huge, this thing is huge. It is big. It is big. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing of my cast iron skillet, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to cook in it, do cooking videos, and just utilize it, showing you the different things that is good to cook in there, like my hot water cornbread. That's what they call it, but I call them fried corn cakes, whatever. Which I did a video on them. Like, I think I got 2 videos on them on my channel. But yeah, if you are new, check out my cooking playlist. I have a lot of great recipes that people love and always give me great feedback, and they say I'm adding these recipes to my recipe book or my recipe box or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to share that, and there's nothing else. And so guess what, guys? If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe bell. And if there's nothing else, I will see you guys later, Gators.